guys, my name is Bree and I'm your choreographer for this year's Food Truck Party VBS. Right now we're about to learn the dance moves to 5, 2, 1, eat. So please remember to mirror me throughout this song. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video.
5, 2, 1.
So many people gathered round to hear what Jesus had to say. And as the sun was sinking down, all of their bellies start to ache. They gave what they had, the Lord multiplied. There's more than enough, 'cause Jesus provided. Loaves of bread, 5 loaves of bread, and with 2 little fish, 2 little fish, and with 1 single prayer, 1 single prayer, Jesus fed all who were gathered there. With 5 loaves of bread, 5 loaves of bread, and with 2 little fish, 2 little fish, and with 1 single prayer, 1 single prayer, Jesus fed all who were gathered there. With
5, 2, 1.
When everybody ate their fill and they collected what was left, the baskets overflowed with more than they had started with. They gave what they had, the Lord multiplied. There's more than enough, 'cause Jesus provided. 5 loaves of bread, 5